Ladies and gentlemen, dear friends and colleagues, good morning. Less than a year ago, we inaugurated the A320 final assembly line China here in Tianjin in the presence of Premier Wang Jiabao. Today, this state-of-the-art facility perfectly embodies Airbus's vision for the future. To be a top-performing enterprise, making simply the world's best aircraft through innovation, integration, internationalization, and a top engagement of our great many employees wherever they work. So I'm very proud to be with you here today for the delivery of the first Airbus aircraft made in China, made in Tianjin, and to be delivered to Dragon Aviation Leasing and Sichuan Airlines. This is, ladies and gentlemen, certainly a special milestone also in our strategic partnership with China. And I would extend my sincere gratitude, particularly to the central government, to the city of Tianjin, and all our partners in China. None of this here would have been possible without their great support and unrelenting help. Ladies and gentlemen, our relationship with China dates back to the 1980s. We have today roughly 500 Airbus aircraft in service in China, and the number is growing. We have this year, for instance, deliveries planned already implemented into China of roughly 15% of our entire deliveries. So basically every seventh aircraft goes to China. And I'm extremely proud today that we are not just selling aircraft to China, but we are also designing aircraft, we are manufacturing aircraft, we are supporting aircraft in China and out of China. We look forward to a great future together. So let me conclude by congratulating Dragon Aviation and Sichuan Airlines on taking delivery of the very first A320 built in China, and by offering my thanks to everyone whose passion, whose skills and dedication have set China's aviation industry and Airbus on the road to success. Airbus is celebrating its 40th anniversary this year. It's only apt that we then look into the next 40, 50 years forward. And if anything, we certainly hope that we will be working steadily, increasingly with our partners in China, setting new standards in aviation and international cooperation, and indeed flying together. Thank you all.